Hey Songbird, it's Kerri from the Songbird and today we're having a really important conversation. We're going to talk about how to stop hating on your voice. Now, before we get into that though, I do want to remind you that I do have an incredible free resource for you to download. So just click on the link below to get my 7 singing hacks now. Okay, let's get on to this really important conversation. Don't make it all about you. Now, I know that sounds kind of strange because as a singer, it is very much about us, right? It's about us, it's about our voice, it's about our music, it's about getting up on stage and singing in front of a crowd. And usually the spotlight, in some way or other, is on us. But I want to encourage you, even though outwardly this might be going on, inwardly, don't make it all about you. Don't make it about wanting to be perfect and flawless and wanting to impress everyone. Don't make it about you and needing to be better than the singer next to you, right? Don't make it a game of comparison. Instead, make it about the love. The love for singing, the love for music, the love for sharing the gift of music and singing with the world around you, and the love for the people of which you'll be sharing your music. You know, when you make it about something other than yourself, you then focus on something that is greater than yourself. And that is going to help you to actually love your voice more. Seize the opportunity to learn. So instead of hating on yourself for the parts of your voice that you perceive are weak or where you want to see improvement, seize those opportunities to improve and get out there and learn. Go and get lessons, go to workshops, go to webinars, buy books, talk to other singers who are ahead of you in the game, and just seize every opportunity to get better. Then you're going to find that the journey becomes so much more fun, and then you actually learn to love your voice and yourself more, because as you learn and grow, you're actually going to get better and better. Okay, Songbird, I really do hope that this conversation hit your heart and that it encouraged you to move forward on your singing journey. If you did find it helpful, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. And also in the comments below, please let me know what is an opportunity to learn that you're going to seize today so that you can actually stop hating on your voice and you can actually go to the next level to be the singer that you've always dreamed of being. I'd love to know. Now, if you haven't already, do make sure you download my free resources, the 7 singing hacks to help you become a better singer. It's at the link below, so you can go and grab it now. Until next time, Songbird, know that I am always believing in you. So get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.